Hey there, English learners! In this video, you are going to learn 14 amazing idioms to express your happiness like never before. Yes, you heard that right. 14 ways to take your expressions to the next level. Watching till the end will help you expand your vocabulary and sound more natural when speaking English. Hit that subscribe button together with the notification bell. Are you ready to make your daily conversations shine? Let's get started. On cloud nine.
Like I'm on cloud nine right now.
We're on cloud nine.
I am on cloud nine.
On cloud nine means feeling extremely happy or excited, like you are floating in the sky. Have you ever felt that way before?
Are you literally on cloud nine right now?
Work it in. I guarantee you within half an hour you'll be on cloud nine.
Over the moon.
You'll be over the moon.
Will is over the moon.
It means very happy and thrilled, as if you've reached something impossible.
Henry is over the moon.
The whole town is over the moon.
And I'm really over the moon for both of you.
Jump for joy.
Jump for joy.
Jump for joy.
Jump for joy.
Jump for joy means to show great excitement by literally or figuratively jumping.
I am not exactly jumping for joy.
To be jumping for joy by now.
You'll jump for joy at our prices.
Pleased as punch.
Pleased as punch.
Please, this punch.
Pleased as punch means feeling very proud or pleased with yourself.
Well, I'm pleased as punch to see you all here.
You must be pleased as punch, making all those other people happy.
On top of the world.
You're on top of the world.
Top of the world.
Top of the world!
On top of the world, feeling the best you can. Very successful. Very happy.
Oh, top of the world, coach. How you doing?
You can't talk about feeling intimidated when you're on top of the world.
Ben felt on top of the world. Or
Walking on air or dancing on air.
I'm dancing on air.
I'm dancing on air.
Walking on air or dancing on air. Feeling so happy. That is like you're floating and dancing above the ground.
We were all walking on air that night.
He was so happy. He was walking on air.
Happy camper.
I'm just a happy camper.
I am not a happy camper.
Happy camper is someone who is very happy and satisfied.
So far, I'm a pretty happy camper.
You're a happy camper today?
Bursting with joy.
Bursting with joy. Good cheer.
Bursting with joy means so full of happiness that you feel like you might burst.
But that was only half. Now they were bursting with joy.
Very, very happy indeed. Grinning from ear to ear.
You're literally grinning from ear to ear right now.
You're grinning from ear to ear right now.
Grinning from ear to ear is smiling very widely because you are happy.
Dad was grinning from ear to ear this morning.
And she's grinning from ear to ear.
Buzzed or hyped.
Gotta get me buzzed first.
Yeah, that's the hype crowd I like.
Buzzed or hyped means feeling excited or energized about something.
I thought you were hyped about playing overseas.
Little Jackie hyped us to a score at the Rutgers campus.
In good spirits or in high spirits.
You wonder why we're not in high spirits?
And you seem like you're in high spirits.
When you are in good spirits or in high spirits, you're feeling so happy, so cheerful, and very positive.
Well, you certainly seem in high spirits.
Having a whale of a time.
You like to have a whale of a time?
I think you had a whale of a time.
Maybe you might imagine whales dancing and playing with each other. It means enjoying yourself a lot and having a great time.
We're on vacation and we're having a whale of a time.
Looked like you were having a whale of a time, flying on the wings of white power.
Tickled pink.
That I am tickled pink.
I'm not upset, I'm tickled pink.
When you are tickled pink, you're feeling delighted or very happy about something.
Vera'll be tickled pink to see you.
Music to my ear.
Yes, music to my ears.
That is music to my ears.
You can say music to your ear or music to my ear when you heard about something that makes you very happy. Or this is something you heard that makes you very pleased or happy.
It is music to my ears, Oliver.
Thanks for watching. I hope these 14 idioms for expressing happiness help you feel more confident in your daily conversations. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural your English will sound. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more tips to expand your vocabulary and improve your English. Once again, my name is Jonah, helping you to keep learning English and stay happy. See you again in my next video.